How is everybody? Well, I'm doing something very, very short. I found something that I like. In fact, once I get Mary into my system, when I see things, it's just incredible. My mind knows there's an answer. And what I'm going to show you is this. This is from something I found on Zaziz's page. I think it was Zaziz's page, and it was right here. 6-2 is the doghouse. Flip it upside down, you can say 79. Okay, which is the creation of the angel resident. Down here, we have the 1/8 of the worlds we are in. If I move 1/8 here, and I move 1/8 here, I now have 3/8, creation of man. 1 and 1 is now gone. This becomes the part of your Pac-Man. You notice it's over here, 1/8 is here, it comes up with the second clock. This is woman, 3 by 66 is 198. The 19 moon and the 8 world of Neptune, right down here. The 62, I don't know what all these mathematical things, but I know this is 8 by 8. So it all has to do with the creation. You see, I'm so deep into this already that I seem to just see it in everything. Here, -8 equals 2 minus x, because this is beta and this is Neptune that comes together in the hand of man. 111, 1221. See 1221? Again, Nibiru, this was supposed to happen last year. 3 by 4 is 12. 7 by 3 is 21, 7 by 4 is 28, the Einstein theory of man. 102 is blackjack. 412, 48, 52, space and time. Right here, number 1 in space and time. They own number 1. To the pi of 4, I do not know these numbers. 50/2, the 2 worlds where you're only a quarter. You're only a quarter because we get the electric from somewhere else. They give us the body. The only thing who you are in life is how you act and what you present. For what you remember and retain is within the system that is given to you. You are born with the memory bank. You are born with all these things. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. There was one other thing I don't think I've shown yet. This is the piano, backwards and forwards. I'm not going to do anything about it right now. Left and right. On the left side it says left wing. Right wing. In the right wing we get 6, 6, and 6. A and H heaven, the 2 from the family of A and H. Okay? In which I did want to say something about A and H, which is this. In the alphabet, okay, H is number 8. The position it is just over number K, which is right next to J, and it creates the number 4, because this letter and this letter and this letter are all in the A family. This is number 14, which is next. It's number 14, which is next, because this is inside. This is connected to this. This is connected to this. And inside number 14, which is the electronic world. You see number 4, how the 4 got inside over there? All this has to do is flip over, and it goes onto this side. So it's this side or this side. This is 10. This is 13. Okay, this is the ESP world, Earth, Pluto, and Saturn. But over here, this is the H in the A family. This is the J, and the J family is in the A family in the K. 21, 19. The moon and the cubit. You need the moon and the cubit in your head to make your 40, your Rubik's Cube. 8, 11 is 19. 19 plus 10 is 29. There's one more over here that connects, and that's M connects over here is number 13. But M is in the next family. But M connects over here because the letter M is the 13th letter. In the E family, add 5 equals 18, which is Resh, the letter R, which is Sigma in the Greek language, is the 18th letter, which connects 666, which connects to 3 different worlds of 6. M13, the opposition to M13, 1 and 3 is 4, which is now the prism, the sandbox and the prism inside your head. That's a reader. Like the clock is like a reader. The needles go in your clock and they read, and they read. And inside the pork world, I think I showed you something about the pig, or was that the video before about the pig? That the pork ribs vibrate. So I showed you this and I explained to you that the total amount between the 8 and 11 is 19, okay, plus the 10 is 29, is the IT. 5 times 4, 5 plus 4 equals the sun, equals the IT.
5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 equals 256. That's the same number used in 5 and 4 for IT. 5 times 4 is IT, 54 is the sun, 45 is Fox. I'm not sure where to go because nobody's asking me any questions lately. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. No. I got no excuses. If I couldn't come up with a better job than that, I got no excuses. I'll be right back at you. Thank you very much for watching. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Again, I say it again.